Okay guys, kinsa diri ganahan mag-math? Kinsay bright diri mag-math? Wala, good. Well, does everyone know addition? Well, our next set of birds will be almost baffled and amazed. Now, before we begin, can you guys give me two numbers from 1 to 20? Again, any numbers from 1 to 20? I heard 19. Okay, 1, 9. Give me another number. This side, this side. Yeah. 8? Okay, 8. Okay, so our equation is 19 plus 8. So we all know the answers, right? But we must not sell the answers just yet. And before we call in our math wizard, I'll be shuffling these numbers first. Okay, the numbers have been shuffled. Now let's call in our math wizard, Snow. There we go. So, Snow, your equation is 19 plus 8. Again, Snow, 19 plus 8. Gusto ka natin tayo si Snow mag-study sa iyang modules. Okay, Snow, are you ready? Alright, Snow, so give us the first number. Okay, Snow picks number 2. Now, is the first number correct? So, give it a sure mo ba? Again, is the first number correct? Alright, Snow, finish your answer up to the second number. There you go, Snow picks number 7. So 19 plus 8 equals 27. A round of applause for our math wizard, Snow. Now the next birds that we're about to show you are different from the colorful parrots and lovely cockatoos. So they're called birds of prey or raptors, meaning to seize or to take by force. So around the globe, we have 400 plus living species of raptors. Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have 2. First is our Brahminy kite, and next is our Philippine serpent eagle. Now guys, before we call in our raptors, may I request everyone to please settle down and take your seats, especially the kids. Once again, please settle down. And if our birds will fly over you, don't try to jump or grab to reach the bird. Again, please don't try to grab or reach the bird. And for a while, please stay clear of the center aisle. Once again, no one should pass or sit in the center aisle. So excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Yeah, you. Can you go a little bit? Just give a little bit of space. Thank you. Once again, please settle down, especially mga kids, para dili sila makaot na eagles.
Kaon sa Eagles, si Kuya.